What's going on, guys? Jerry Neutron here, and today I just wanted to show you a little something I picked up. This is just a quick video, kind of like a vlog type of thing. I'm upgrading my HTPC, so I've got a couple new parts here. So first is the my motherboard. This is the ASRock B85M-ITX, and I have a new processor, which is the Intel Pentium G3258. So everyone knows about this processor. Pretty much it is an unlocked Pentium processor. Previously I was using an AMD E350, which is an old school AMD APU. I built that system back in like 2011, and it's not so great. We'll pretty much just put it like that. Doing anything that requires CPU power, it pretty much falls on its face. So let's just open it up and take a look at some of this stuff. Also, if you can see my hands, they're kind of fucked up. I've been working on the car for about a week, so if they look ridiculous, that's why. Anyway, so ASRock B85M-ITX, quick installation guide, driver CD, of course. Back plate, driver plate, shield, whatever, SATA cable, looks like two of them. One's riding, one straight, and then see the board itself. Not bad, more, okay. So I kind of just wanted something that was fairly cheap, but still had everything that I was looking for, or that I may need with a motherboard. So this has got PCI Express 3.0 on this by 16 slot. It's got USB 3.0. I've got a couple 4-pin fan headers here. One's a CPU fan, another's a chassis fan. But yeah, so this is LGA 1150 socket, so I could run this Pentium. Good thing is later on, maybe if I want to upgrade for whatever reason, I could go like an i5 or i7, and I've got a mini-itx Intel build, so that's cool. On the IO side, 6 USB ports. 2 are USB 3.0, got eSATA, HDMI, VGA, and DVI. Got a PS2 connector, and then all of your audio connectors, optical audio. Got kind of a brown PCB, you know, so it's nothing too fancy, but I think it'll get the job done. So yeah, the last HTPC I built was in 2011, so this should be a pretty big upgrade, I'm expecting. And the Intel stock cooler. So I'm gonna be running this for a little bit. An aftermarket cooler is not really needed with a CPU like this. It has pretty low TDP, so it's not gonna be generating a ton of heat. So I could definitely get by without this. The main reason I wanted to upgrade to this though is I'm gonna be doing some CPU cooling testing, and my old APU that I had was actually built into the motherboard, so I couldn't actually install like aftermarket coolers or anything like that. So CPU cooler, you can see the thermal paste and crap is already on there. And then of course we have the CPU chip itself, Intel Pentium G3258. Pretty cool, so I'm gonna put this all together. Stay tuned. Alright, so I've got everything put together, so it's time to test it out and make sure everything is running correctly. And so it looks like on this one, it's got a thing for non-Z overclock. And there's a couple presets that I can select, like 3.8 gigahertz, 4 gigahertz, 4.2, and 4.4 gigahertz. So that's cool. Alright, so yeah, that's pretty much it. It looks like everything works. It detected everything, so at this point, I'm just gonna put everything in the case, and once I'm done, I'll just show you guys what it's like. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful or entertaining. Subscribe for more similar content, and until next time, see ya. Now I plan on running an i7 4790K, so I went for a Z97 board. Now I'm about $340 short of having the